Peace, good people. Hello, all of my worm farmers and soon to be worm farmers. It's your year. So I've been getting a lot of questions about worms and what species of worm is best to use when we are vermicomposting. So I came here to answer the question that you all have been wondering. If you've been here for some time, you know how I feel about red wigglers. Like, they're the best. And so to answer the question short and sweetly, if you can get your hands on some red wigglers, they are going to be excellent for vermicomposting. And I typically suggest red wigglers because they are very hardy, especially if you're in the US. They're very hardy worms. They can handle a lot of temperature fluctuation and just weather madness. So I started vermicomposting in Colorado, and my worms never passed away due to weather. And if you know a little bit about Colorado weather, it's real wild. In the winters, it can get very, very cold. In the summers, it can get reasonably hot. So that says a lot about their hardiness. They're tiny, but they are mighty. Another worm that we like to use and have here on the farm are European night crawlers. They are not as hardy as red wigglers, but they do a good job. And then if you're in other climates, like warmer climates, like I'm in Arizona now, I might want to look into African night crawlers or something like that. So it really just depends on where you're located and your environment. If you're going to have them inside or outside, all of those things are factors that you want to consider when you are choosing your worm type. I typically suggest red wigglers, one, because they're super hardy, but also because they are composting worms. They are a true composting worms. Like when the creator spawned them here on earth, it said red wigglers, composting is your thing. Breaking down material on the forest floor is what you were sent here to do, where other species of worms typically are for aeration and things like that. But like I said, European night crawlers, they do an efficient job of composting as well, and some other species, but red wigglers, they really it. So if you can get your hand on some red wigglers, that's who you're going to want to farm with to start out with, just because they are so efficient. When it comes to processing through material, typically they will outbeat other species of worms just because, like, it's their job. It's what they're supposed to do. So they're really good at it. So yes, I hope this answered that question. If you guys have any questions, concerns, things you want to see me talk more about as it pertains to vermicomposting, gardening, soil health, and regeneration, let me know in those comments, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.